GST return the monthly compliance that every registered person has to comply with. Every person who exceeds the threshold limit has to get registered under the GST Act. The type of registered person considered here is regular and composition. Under regular scheme, a person can claim GST credit and accordingly adjust it with the outward GST liability. To simplify the compliances for small taxpayers, composition scheme is in place, where a taxpayer cannot avail input tax credit but can pay GST at a fixed rate on turnover. Under regular scheme, two returns has to be filed, GSTR-3B and GSTR-1. GSTR-1 contains the detail of all outward supplies made. GSTR-3B is a summary of all the outward supply made and input supply received, and according to the summary of GSTR-3B, GST is paid on monthly basis. GSTR-1 can be filed either monthly or quarterly based on the turnover of the taxpayer in the previous year, which if exceeds 1.5 crore, the taxpayer has to file GSTR-1 monthly by 11th of the succeeding month. Whereas, if turnover doesn't exceed Rs 1.5 crore, the taxpayer can file a quarterly return by the last day of the month succeeding the quarter. The option to choose the periodicity is available at the beginning of the financial year. Under GST composition scheme, only one return has to be filed for a quarter, which is CMP-0A. It contains the outward supply made by the taxpayer and acts as a challan for payment of GST. It has to be filed by the 18th of the month succeeding the quarter. Thank you. GST made it easy.